Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So the topic we are going to discuss is about MySQL having Celsius. So first of all, let me give you the brief explanation about the having Celsius. What do you mean by that? So the having Celsius was added to SQL to the SQL because the where keywords cannot be used with aggregate function. So basically for this we need to make a table, then we will be able to understand on that. So we have 3 steps as we are doing the same thing in the previous things also. So let's go and create a table. Create table by the name of employee. So the next one is we are going to say id int primary key auto increment. The next one is a name worker, so I would give this 15, and department also worker, so I would like to give 50 that also, and then I want to have a age, which is data type is integer. So the next one is a salary. This one is also based on the integer. So then I want to close it. As you can see, already the table or the structure of our database is created. The next step is we are going to do insert operation. So insert into employee, then when you're going to insert this, you have to use that name whatever you have already inserted here, department. So and the age, the second one will be, the third one will be salary. So then and values. So in the values we need to give the name ABC. I would like to give this kind of name. So based on your names you can give it that. Another one is HR, I will say that, and the age 23, and the number or salary I would like to give 20,000. So then I will close my bracket. So this was the thing which we're going to insert it. So we only have one. Let's see if it is inserted or not. Select star from employee. So as you can see in our table, we already inserted the ID, name, department, age, salary. So the ID is 1 and the name is ABC, and the department HR, age is 23, salary is 20,000. So this was only the first one, so we will not be able to find out what is the use of having Celsius operation in this table. So let's create 2-3 more, then we will be able to understand that. So just changing the value, then we will be able to understand it. I would like to say 25k this one, and 24. This should be HR. Okay, let's have a different BC, DEF. This one is also add. Let's what more. So I would like to say 13k this one, 22. Then I would like to give ITDs. This one GHI, and this one is also created. Let's create one more. So I would like to have a 35k also. The age should be 26. Department IT GHI JKL. So random number name. So this one, let's see if it is inserted in our table or not. Select star from employee. As you can see, it's already existed in our table. So the next step is we are going to do is using the operation or using the having Celsius or MySQL having Celsius in our table. So by just typing select, so I would like to say I would like to take the department. I would like to take the department, just give the comma or the semicolon. Then you can also type it, let's say average salary. So average salary, then when you type average salary as total, you can type it also total average, it will be easier. So when you type this one, just enter it and let it come down. And this is the second step is from, I mean like what is your table name. So you have to type the table name which we are having as imply. So the third one is a group. It will be make it by group by, so department. So we use the department name, so we need to insert the department name also here. So the third one is also having. So now basically we are using our operation, as you can see here in this line, having. So in this having operation, now you will be able to understand what is going here in this table. Total average. By typing this total average less than, I would like say to less than 13k. So we have that kind of number also. If you check the number 3, GHI, department ID, age 22 is 30. I want to the less than that of that. So by just giving the semicolon and enter it, as you can see it, the department is ID, the total average is 32k500 and 0.000. So this is the total average of that. So let's do another one more. This another also, it's sum of this. You can do the average operation also here. So select, I would like to select the same thing, just changing the operation, department, and I would say sum. I will use the sum here now. Salary, and then has a total. This one I would like to say total salary, not more anything here. Total salary, just adding, and from. This from means where you gonna take it, a database. So I have a database name at employee, so I'm going to take this, and these groups, it will make it separate as we give the definition on that. So the having Celsius was added to the SQL because the where keywords cannot be used with aggregate function. So we are not able to use the aggregate function here. By department. So this is the departments. We are going to make it a group. So now we are using to having a total salary. I would like to say salary and less than, in this time I would like to take 25k also. Let's see if it is work or not, and then you have to close it and enter it. As you can see, now we have a different table also. Department total salary. So department, we have HR and IT, and the salary is 45 and 65k, the sum of that. So the next one also we can use the max. Let's do the max also. Select, I would like to say that same department, so the same name, and the max salary, if it is work, I'm not sure on that. Let's see it as a total salary, and then from the same thing imply then group by department, and using the operation having total salary resident, and resident here I would like to say it 35k. Yes, 35k here now. As you can see, empty set, so we don't have that empty set, so I would like to call that. So let's do it one more time with the, I would like to say at 30k. Let's see if it's work or not. So let's see, is it not possible to do that? So this was the today topic. I hope I have make it clearly understanding, and don't forget to subscribe and share, give a comment.